Today, I'm going to show you how to make my viral red candied apples. But a quick thank you to everybody who's been watching, commenting, and sharing. This video blew up in under a week, and we've had tons of people asking for the full recipes behind what you see here. So we finally made it happen. Now let's get into those perfect red candied apples. Into a large pot of boiling water, add in 5 Granny Smith apples that have had the stem removed. Now all this is going to do is remove the wax from the apples. The wax prevents the candy coating from sticking. After 30 seconds, which is all it takes, take them out. Now immediately dry them off completely. Now to your large pot, add in 1.5 cups of water, 6 cups of granulated white sugar, and 1 cup of corn syrup. Now stir this until combined. Now add in your candy thermometer. Now heat this on medium to low heat until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, let's prep the apples. Now cut some parchment paper big enough to put your apples on, and put wooden skewers in the top. Now trim if preferred. Now repeat that with all the apples. Now that it's reached 300 degrees Fahrenheit, take it off the heat and put it on a corkboard. Now we're gonna add some red food dye into this and mix. Now hold your pan at a slight angle and dip your apples.